Looks like 3 days to the nearest exit. We're gonna need supplies. I'll get some grub.
Hey, little bits! Need some help? Oh. Okay. Oh, come on, Tummy.